Hi, my name is Chris Speck. I am a 2018 fellow, and I'm going to explain to you how I am doing remote and in-person learning in my classroom. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do first off is talk about why I don't have a mask on. There are no students in the classroom right at this moment. And so what I'm going to go ahead and do is talk about what happens vis-a-vis the procedure. So the first thing that happens when they come in is they're going to get a handout. Handouts on the deep freezer, so I'm not physically involved in passing out materials. They're going to go to one of their tables and they're going to go ahead and get started on that. Few other things. Almost every single one of the labs can be easily transferable to the stuff they're doing at home. For example, one of the things we got going on under the grow lights is our Wisconsin fast plants. And so this lab is going to be something that we're going to do a genetic analysis of the DNA structure for the purebred and hybrid plants. So if you look really carefully, there are purple stems and there are light green stems. And the light green stems are recessive, the dark purple stems are dominant. But we don't know if they are heterozygous or homozygous, and all of the information is going to be cast to the Promethean board and then also shared with students at home. Few of the things that I am doing. So another thing that I'm doing is we are doing labs. Obviously, we've got microscopes here in the classroom, but we don't at home. So how do we take care of that? Well, one of the ways that we take care of that is we go ahead and I have a Wi-Fi microscope whereby I can, if I change something here, it's changing it on the screen there. And they can also see it on the board there. So when I share my screen with students, they can kind of see, well, what's going on? What are the people here looking at? So that's easily transferable. Another thing that I'm doing is using the Vernier sensors to measure data here in class with oxygen and carbon dioxide. And again, the great thing about these is they are Bluetooth. So this is a sample of yeast that I've been plating that's got a carbon dioxide and an oxygen sensor on it. And that has been recorded. And you can see the data there. So on the bottom, obviously you can see the CO2 going up. The oxygen is sort of flatlining, not much going on there. But these things are definitely exhaling CO2 because this is a sealed container. So that's basically that. The students have at-home labs they can also do, and they can share with us one of the things that what they're doing at home. I am doing flipped classroom, so I am doing. They're having logging on 15 minutes before the end of the day, or excuse me, before the end of each period, and they are sharing what they got for their at-home labs if they choose to do them. Obviously, I can't mandate at-home labs, but they are. Some of them are doing those. We're sharing what we've done in the classroom the last 15 minutes, and they're asking any questions. So that's that. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, speck_c@aps.edu, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.